heater hose connector off a 2005 Suburban. I was losing coolant and I realized the leak was at this connection. So I removed this by pressing on these two little clips and pulled it off the heater hose coming off the firewall. Same thing with this, and same thing with this, which goes to your, basically your block down by your thermostat. So this thing was leaking. I was going to pay $20 to $25 to get a new one of these, and then I realized that if I just pressed here and on this side here and pulled this thing out, there is a little rubber gasket that was worn out. So for like, I don't know, 25 cents, I replaced this thing, and the heater hose connector is good to go. Put it back, put the new hose, or put the new gasket in there, and clip this thing in, and then reinstall it, hook the hoses up, you're good to go.